morning. Nasa Santa Gloria uli ako. Ito talaga yung isa sa favorite ko na cafe kapag nagmamagalo. So, I'm just getting cafe con leche and of those before my work. May binili lang naman ako. Feeling ko kada vlog ko may binibili ako. I'm so sorry, guys. So, I got myself a new headset. Let's unbox it. Technically, bumili ako kasi hindi ko na mahanap yung akin. Tapos, very useful siya kapag naglalakad, ganun. Ito na naman tayo, struggle na naman tayo sa pagbubukas. Tingnan ko baka nandiyan na yung order.
One eternity later.
Yay! Wow! Pak, sino ka dyan? Oh, it's so cute. It looks like my old one. My old one was black though. What's a charger? Guys, I have 5 minutes to eat. Reset. May cafe con leche. And my tostada. Eat my friends. Tara na, tingnan mo siya. Na para bang siya ay full kid. Ano ba tayo connect? Ganda, magandang sound, guys. Pwede yung para ako cool kid dito. Guys, late na ako. But ang cute na headset ko. Finally. Mayroon kasi ako before, tapos hindi ko na siya mahanap. Ay, ang ganda ng green. Ganda yung outfit dun sa gilid. Pero yeah, papunta na ulit ako dun sa tutor. So let's go. Happy Saturday, by the way. Hi guys, so good afternoon. Nandito pa ako sa laundry ng boss ko. So he just asked me to look over it kasi parang may natapon na something. So wala naman akong mop, so hindi ko naman siya ma-help. So chinek ko lang to. And then it's almost 4 p.m. So I'm planning to go sa Bruno's. It's a American cafe that I really like. And it's also near my friend's place. Malapit siya sa bahay ni Teresa. So at least we can meet there after. I don't want to go straight sa kanila kasi I want to work. I want to edit my vlog. So I think I'm going to the cafe. Gonna charge there as well. And then I could meet them there. And then after, I think we meet up with Tin as well. And then we go to Albufera, which is like yung pinuntahan namin ni Kendall last 2 weeks ago, I think. Anyway, so I'm wearing this today. I super love it. It's a very casual top, but it's ano ba siya, asymmetrical. Off shoulders, but asymmetrical. Super comfy. Ang ganda ng tela. I got this from Shein and I think it's like 7 euros. But it's really nice. It elevates the basic fit. So I'm just wearing my favorite pants. I'm so obsessed with these pants. Lately, I think this is the one I got from Bershka, if I'm not mistaken. And then my red shoes from Lefties. So, ang ganda kasi parang super basic lang ng outfit, but at the same time, dahil dun sa shoes tsaka design ng top, parang it gives that certain dimension. And yeah, I also, like what I said, I got this headset a while ago from JBL. Super nice, super ganda ng quality, and super good yung price niya. So, I'm kinda sleepy already. I haven't eaten any heavy lunch or anything. I just had like the tostada earlier. So let's go to the next cafe. And yeah. Oh, also, I got some things again. I'm so sorry. Sabi ko sa kanila na nalilibili. But I got this packing cubes for my trip with Tin. At least pwede ko na iwalwalayin. Like, one is for makeup, one is for skincare, and the other is for body care. Mga shampoos in there. And I also got myself new sunglasses. I've been wanting to get new sunglasses because the one I have is so small. So I have this one. I got two. This one is the green one, and then the other one. Where's the other one? I have another, but I can't find it. Yeah, siguro somewhere wear under it. But I also got another one, very basic as well, just a brown one. Like, I got something like that a few years back, I think 2 years ago, but I lost it when I went to Italy. So, yeah. That's it. I've been talking so much. I'll see you again later.
Inside we both know just what do you want? Baby, tell me, do you only love me 'cause you have to?
Excited na ako, girl. Kaso kailangan ko muna magtrabaho sa umaga. Bago ko mahawakan ng pawis.
Pawis ni Paula.
Hoy, kasi lang yung best friend ko, yung bumababa siya.
Oo, nahawakan niya.
Hindi, sa ano siya sa upo siya. Nakaupo siya, sa ano na siya bumaba. Sa pit,
Pinakababa.
oo. Kasi sabi ko, sa amin wala, ipit lang eh.
Oo, pitlakan.
So wala siya choice.
Saan mo yung binili, sis?
Best purchase.
Heart shapes. Different color.
Nag-Barcelona kasi sa bag ako. May ganyan, may tripod, may cellphone, lahat.
Yung mga ng photos mo sa ano?
Montserrat?
Sa Montserrat.
Ito yun, tsaka phone. Tripod. So, super okay nung tripod kasi na-realize ko. Pwede ilagay yung photos, may ikutan siya. So, ito, nakakabit dun sa tripod din. So, habang nag-picture ako, nag-video siya. 2-in-1. Tapos, safe naman sa Montserrat. Compared sa ibang parts ng Barcelona. Sa ibang parts nung... Maraming... Konti lang na pumunta ako. Parang sakto lang. Wala akong kaagaw sa picture-picture.
Muchas gracias. Princesa.
Hola.
Modo princesa. ¿Qué tal, chicas?
Para 3?
Tres. Vale, pues te doy dos y ya está.
Una isla vegetal de forma de C o cuña, la rodearemos 360 grados, es la que acoge a la reserva que os decía y siempre por el exterior, es una reserva y por lo tanto por el diámetro de ese aro de boca de entrada, marca aquella montañita alargadita, ¿la veis? La montaña un poquito más, hasta la misma falda de la montaña llega el parque natural. Aquí es la montaña de Cullera, o sea que tenéis límite sur, allá enfrente, límite norte referencia a la ciudad de los Alpes, a la derecha 6 kilómetros.
May peking duck ba?
Asan ang peking duck?
Ito, lumalagpod.
Wala na. Peking duck. Bakit? Sabi niya, sis may peking duck.
Buhay. Hindi siya peke.
¿Veis los patos, las patas?
Waiting for the sunset. Ay.
Iba naman ang wini-wait nitong isa.
Okay. Hi guys, so nandito pa rin kami sa Parc de Albufera. Tapos yung, for information pala, yung, ano ba, so yung kind of bus ride, yung bangka is 6 euros per person. Pero kapag sunset na, 8 euros na siya. Tapos it's around 30 to 40 minutes. Tapos ano naman siya, informative siya. Kasi hindi namin maintindihan masyado. Kasi Spanish lang siya. Tapos, pero mabait naman si Kuya. Yun lang naman. So, I'll give it a 4.5. Kasi hindi ko naintindihan masyado yung mga sinasabi. Better siguro ko naintindihan ko. So, my take on this is mag-aral kayo ng Spanish. Yes. Tagal naman ni Tin. Naantay namin si Tin. Ang ganda niya i-paint. Hello, vlog!
Mag-ilaw na kayo sa vlog.
Hi! Hello! Hi!
Hi! Doon na, baka mahulog ka doon.
Mag-ano kami guys, dinner. Winner chicken din.
Dinner sa Udon. Sayang wala si LA.
Shout out naman sa'yo, Leo Angelo. May nanginginig na sa likod. Kala ko ba malakas tayo, girl?
Reaction namin.
Wala, nasira ako ba? Ang dami nangyayari guys. Sige na lang later.
Ano yan, tingnan mo. Mga picture.
May ano? Wala ba dito?
Chicken rice.
Wala. Pero
Ano pili ka mong buhay sa?
marami Aquarius. Aquarius? Aquarius sa limon? Si. Pare?
Tambien?
Aquarius sa limon.
Ano? Aquarius.
May picture. Vale, una vez.
¿Lo mismo? ¿Don Soyakodon?
Ah, no, lo siento. Para mí, Nicodon.
Ah, Nikodon. Vale, Oyakodon, Nikodon.
Can you give us more time?
Ya, okay.
Debutante.
So, before, and you will see the after.
Tapos yung plug mo pa talaga.
Soon. Ano pa to? 2 weeks late ako mag-ano.
Uy,
2 weeks late ako.
Kamis?
Dapat konti lang pala. Hi guys, so good afternoon. I'm here at the cafe. Nasa cafe ako and I'm ng mga latte. It's already 1:30 p.m. and I have work at 5. So medyo matagal pa. I have like 3 hours to work before the actual work. And yun lang. As you can see, I'm not okay today, but this is a reminder that there are just days in your life wherein you're not okay, but you will be. Halikot ko. Basta yun, you have to trust the process, that life would not give you anything that you cannot handle. So you just have to believe that slowly but surely you'll get there as well. So ayun lang. I'm just gonna work a bit and I'll see you later. Hello. Ano ba? I've been here for I think an hour and a half already, and I'm finished with the rough edit of the first video. So right now, naantay ko lang matapos yung importing. After importing, I'm gonna move it to the iPad kasi gusto ko yung mga letters. Ano tawag doon? Gusto ko yung CapCut. Gusto ko yung mga letters na CapCut. Basta yun. And then after this, I'm planning to get my nails done. But I'm still undecided kasi I still have to work 4 days. What if masira yung nails ko? But yeah, wait lang natin. But yeah, and then di ko sure, it might end. Usually nails are 1 hour, so it might end after an hour, and baka dumating sila Kens ng 4, I'm not sure. But definitely after 6 p.m. after my work, I will be meeting her for the gym. Kasi sabi niya mag-gym kami. By the way, OOTD, my top is an off-shoulder top I got from Korean. Thank you, Karen. Jacket I borrowed from Dade, but it's actually kay Luis. Hi, Luis, if you're watching. Nilab ako ng jacket. Anyways, but yeah, I'm still kind of sleepy though. So let's see where my day goes. Hala, madilim, but hi guys, nasa gym ako right now kasi nakaladkad na naman ako ni Kendall. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work and then dumiretso na ako sa center. I met up with Jer pero hindi na kami nag-coffee kasi diretso na kami ng gym ni Kenz. This is the gym fit. Pinadala ko din si Kenz kasi nasa bahay siya kanina. So, favorite long sleeves from Oysho. Super ganda na quality. Leggings, socks, and rubber shoes. So, today, sabi niya, mag-leg day daw kami. So, okay, yun lang. See you later. Hindi ko mahanap yung araw. Hi! Good morning, guys! I don't know if you can hear me well because there's so much cars on the other side. But good morning! It's finally another Monday. So last week I didn't really have a lot of videos kasi I felt so sick. I was on my period and I don't think I've been doing a lot last week. And ayun nga, I didn't have energy to do so. So right now I'm just going to work. It's already 9:15 I think. But yeah, I'm just walking to work and I kind of want to get coffee on the way. Pero di ko sure kasi baka mabitin lang ako if I drink coffee right away. So, ayun. Kamusta naman kayo? Siguro later after ng work ko, makipagchikahan ako. And yeah, let's see. Just a little life update. So, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm on the way home Hi guys, so nandito ako sa Saler. Pauwi na rin ako kasi dito naman yung daan ko. Dapat mag-CR ako. Kaso nag-droonie na naman ako. Bumili ako ng bagong serum kasi paubos na yung serum ko and I wanted to try the Ordinary. So yeah, I'm just walking sa kabilang side because on the other side, nandun yung, what do you call this, yung tram station. So hopefully, hindi na ako ma-distract sa kung ano ng bagay kasi wala na akong pambili. Legit ha, legit kasi nung wala akong pambili kasi we need to pay the rent. Actually, past due date na kami. But ayun, need ko maghulog tomorrow for the rent and then may trip pa kami sa Friday. The color right now is weird. Or baka maputla lang talaga ako. I'm kind of sleepy as well. Hala, bakit sarado na yung jeepang nila? Ang random, mabilis ma-distract. But yeah. Hala, ang ganda ng bikinis. Daan lang siguro ako. Mabilis lang, very, very fast sa Zara or sa Bershka. And then, uwi na ako. So, let's go. Excited na pala ako kasi random lang. Next month is yung concert ng Lainey. And we are going. Tapos yung, ano nila dito, concert, for lang yung ticket. So, exciting siya. Anyway, so, andito na ako sa Bershka. I'm gonna go inside a bit and let's go. Hi guys, so good evening. Yes, it's already evening. It's already 7, it's 7 p.m. and I started working already. So, like what I told you last time, the week hasn't been the best like last week and this week as well. I just wanted to share that ang dami talagang days that are not okay, but what's important is that we still try to show up for ourselves. So today, I wasn't able to go within because I had an anxiety attack over the little things, and I also wasn't able to go to my afternoon work because of it. So I really did not have energy to move, and yeah, I won't go deep into details, but you know how anxiety is. But at the end of the day, at around 4-5 p.m. I was able to pick myself up. Nakapagluto ako ng lunch. Medyo marami siya, so I think that's also my food for tomorrow. I was able to do a bit of laundry, clean a bit of my room as well, just fix some things. I also was able to, you can see it here, prepare the clothes that I would want to bring sa trip namin on Friday, and also arrange some of my bags. So alam niyo yun, parang kahit na ang dami nangyari na within the day, it's still a good day. There's also still a good reason to keep fighting, to not give up on yourself. So, ayun lang naman. I just wanted to share that. Kasi I know how it feels, I know how heavy it gets, and I know how complicated things can be. But ayun lang guys, laban lang tayo. Anyways, so my agenda for now is just to continue working. I don't know if habol pa ako sa gym with Ken's, but I will be going to the center in a bit kasi I need to pay our rent. So need ko mag-withdraw ng money and then move it to my other bank account. And yeah, that's the agenda for tonight. And maybe I'll see you again later. Nahulog. Okay lang. Hi guys, so good afternoon. It's already, ano oras na ba? 3:35 and day off namin! Forced day off. So ayan, nagmamaganda ang mga ate nyo. Pero mag-coffee lang kami and then
So, ma-picture ako, guys.
mag-picture kami.
Kasi wala na akong ma-upload.
OOTD. Mamaya na kami mag-fit check. Pero bibili kami ng coffee and then magpipicture and then after nun, magka-coffee ulit kami. Kasi ganun talaga pag mayayaman.
Ano ba?
Alam mo ba, di ba kinuwento ko sa'yo na wala akong pera? Tapos kinuwento ko din yung kay Tin. Sabi ko, Tin, na-short ako this month. Tapos sabi niya, napanood ko yung vlog mo, alam ko na kung bakit ka na-short. Guys, na-huli niyo ko.
Ba't ka na short?
So, hindi na ako pinapaniwala na friends ko pag sinasabi kong wala akong pera na-short ako. Sabihin lang nila, napanood mo ba yung vlog mo? Nakita mo yung ganitong araw? Ayun, nandun na ang sagot.
Guys.
Ay, buhay. Anyway, so, see you at the cafe.
See you. Baba ka ng konti. Ay, okay. Hindi na lang ko titigil. Kasi pagano.
Refreshing and kind of a tropical drink.
It tastes like a coconut macaron.
Ah, nice way to describe it.
Well.
Coconut? So good.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt.
No. It's fine. Definitely fine.
You're hiring, I'm looking.
We're starting to.
We will switch info.
Do you also have decaf?
Yes, we do.
They have.
A really good one.
For me, I'll try the strawberry matcha with the
Coconut milk.
kind
Look,
of.
this is something you try. If you don't like it, I'll drink it. You
Okay.
get the other.
Okay.
I'm so sure that you're gonna love it.
But can I do it like ice latte? By
Yeah.
decaf?
Sure.
Wow. First time though. My whisks
Who would have thought?
And we went to the cupping. Card again?
Yeah. I was actually in Madrid yesterday. I was meant to stay there, but
Yesterday.
oh yeah, I was thinking for like
Ayoko na sound. Hi guys. So, nag-fit check na kami ni Kendall kasi tapos na kami mag-coffee. Actually, ako matcha. And so far, super love ko yung strawberry matcha nila. So, it's matcha with strawberry puree and I think it's coconut milk. But yeah, so this is the OOTD tank top from Primark, skirt from Shein, and I think my sandals is from Bershka. Wala nang dumadaan. Kinakabahan siya pag may dadaan. Hindi naman nila kami kilala. Ay, may magbabike na isa lang. So, ayun. Ubus ko na siya. Gusto ko pa. So good. OOTD. Ayoko. Mag-hi ka. Ay, gusto ko yan. Matangkad ako. Ganyan ka na. Hindi.
Awkward naman ang ikot niya. Paano ka umiikot? ikot eh.
Normal na ikot.
Maganda pala pag walang tao. Umayos mo na kayo.
Ayan, may dadaan si kuya.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ayan na.
Wala.
Ano ba?
Oh my God, mukha ko yung mga legit na ano.